The Brave Little Starfish. In the depths of a sparkling blue ocean, there lived a little starfish named Stella. Stella was curious and adventurous, always dreaming of exploring the vast ocean beyond her cozy coral reef. However, Stella was much smaller and less agile than the other sea creatures, who could swim quickly and effortlessly. One day, news spread throughout the reef about a hidden treasure buried deep within a mysterious underwater cave. The treasure was said to grant immense wisdom and strength to whoever found it. All the sea creatures buzzed with excitement, but they knew the journey would be dangerous and challenging. Stella wanted to go on the adventure, but the other sea creatures laughed at her. You're too small and slow, Stella. You'll never make it, they said. But Stella's determination burned brightly. I may be small, but I have a brave heart and a curious mind, as she thought. Ignoring the discouragement, Stella set off on her journey alone. She faced many obstacles along the way: swift currents, dark trenches, and unfamiliar predators. Despite her fear, Stella pressed on, using her small size to her advantage by squeezing through tight spaces and hiding from danger. As she traveled deeper into the ocean, Stella encountered a wise old sea turtle named Taro. Taro saw Stella's determination and offered to guide her part of the way. Together, they swam through perilous waters, with Taro teaching Stella how to navigate the currents and avoid dangers. Finally, Stella and Taro reached the entrance of the mysterious cave. Taro could not fit through the narrow opening, but he encouraged Stella to continue. Remember, bravery and persistence will lead you to your goal, Taro said. With Taro's words echoing in her mind, Stella ventured into the cave. Inside, it was dark and eerie, with only a faint glow guiding her. Stella felt scared, but she kept moving forward. At last, Stella reached the heart of the cave, where she found the hidden treasure, a magnificent pearl radiating a soft, soothing light. As Stella touched the pearl, she felt a surge of strength and wisdom flow through her. She realized that her bravery and perseverance had led her to this moment. When Stella returned to the reef with the treasure, the other sea creatures were astonished. They had doubted her, but Stella had proven that even the smallest and seemingly weakest among them could achieve great things through determination and courage. Stella's journey became a legend in the ocean, inspiring all the sea creatures to never underestimate themselves or others. Her story a beacon of hope and inspiration for all who heard it. She continued to explore the vast ocean, always eager to discover new wonders and help those in need. Let's learn words from the story. Vast, very large in size or extent. Example: the desert stretched out in a vast, sandy expanse. Agile, able to move quickly and easily. Example: the agile gymnast flipped and twisted in the air. Swift, happening quickly or promptly. Example: the swift river current carried the boat downstream rapidly. Trench, a long, narrow ditch. Example: the soldiers hid in the trench to avoid enemy fire. Predator, an animal that hunts and eats other animals. Example: the lion is a predator that preys on zebras and other animals. Perilous, full of danger or risk. Example: the perilous journey across the mountains took many days. Eerie, strange and frightening. Example: the eerie silence in the abandoned house gave her chills. Astonished, greatly surprised or amazed. Example: she was astonished to see her name on the winner's list. Beacon, a light or other signal that warns or guides. Example: The lighthouse served as a beacon for ships approaching the rocky coast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.